Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Chocolate Day everybody. To celebrate Chocolate Day, let's make some brookies today. So do you know what brookies are? Brookies are actually a combination of brownies and cookies. It is a perfect combination of brownies and cookies. So if you're somebody like me and like brownies and cookies equally, this is the perfect recipe for you. So let's get started. Take some water in a pan and put a bowl over it with 60 grams chocolate and 38 grams butter. This method of melting chocolate and butter is called bain-marie. You can also use microwave to melt your chocolate and butter. Once completely melted, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mixture and mix well. Keep this bowl aside. Take another bowl and crack 1 small or medium egg into it. Add 30 grams of brown sugar into the bowl. Brown sugar helps to make the cookie more fudgier. Now add 45 grams of caster sugar. Caster sugar is superfine sugar. Make sure to use superfine sugar and not the regular sugar. In another bowl, sift 50 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 5 grams of cocoa powder and 3/4 of a teaspoon baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients well and keep it aside. The next step is to whisk eggs and sugar mixture really well. So this is the step which brings the crinkle top on top of the brownie or cookie. So we need to be really thorough with this step. I have used an electric mixer. I suggest you use an electric whisk only and not by hand, because then it will not be mixed that well. We need to keep mixing it till it's light and fluffy. The color will change and it will become very light. Once the eggs and sugar become light and fluffy, now it's time to add the butter and chocolate mixture into this eggs and sugar mixture. Now it is very important to make sure that the butter and chocolate mixture is warm and not very hot, neither at room temperature. After adding the butter and chocolate mixture, just mix till it's all combined. Don't overmix it. Now add half of the dry ingredients and fold it using a spatula with very light hands. Add the rest of the dry ingredients and fold it in. The batter of brookies is very loose, so you need to scoop it in, or you can fill it in piping bag and then pipe it on the baking tray. Make sure that your baking tray is lined with either parchment paper or silicone mat. And scoop the cookies at a little distance, because these cookies do spread in the oven. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes with the lower rod on and fan on. Once they are out from the oven, let them cool before you take them out from the mat. I hope you like the cookies. Do try the recipe and let us know how you like them in the comments. If you have any doubts or any problems that you're facing, do share your issues in the comments as well. Subscribe to us for more videos and fondant as well as recipe videos.